always looking for nice little gifts. This is the Daily Encouragement Bible verse jar. Comes with this beautiful glass container, 48-inch ribbon bow, and a little gift tag you could add on. But the cards are color-coded by emotion, okay? Happy is yellow, thankful, angry, anxious, lonely, and sad. And each one is laminated for durability, and the whole set is polished in a very nice high quality look. Beautifully packaged and ready to gift. So the emotion-based scripture I really like. Sometimes the day gets the best of us, and getting a little reminder that you're not alone is so nice. Emotion-based scripture that can really help center somebody is so special. Each day, pulling a verse, like a personal little reminder that faith can steady you through any emotion, happiness, sadness, being lonely, and this is just so perfect. The scriptures, from what I've read, are very easy to read. Take just a second. They're clearly referenced and they're thoughtfully chosen. This is really a quiet, comforting ritual that's going to help add perspective to the day. And I also like that it gives you the reading. So if you want to go into the Bible, if you're interested in it, you can get further into the actual verse. This jar is simple, it is elegant, and it is deeply, deeply, deeply meaningful. A thoughtful gift for anyone that might need encouragement, gratitude, or a little hope.